Throughout history, humans have created incredible innovations, many of which were centuries ahead of their time. Some of these inventions were forgotten, lost, or misunderstood until modern science caught up. Here are 10 ancient inventions that prove our ancestors were far more advanced than we often believe. Number 10. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece. The Antikythera mechanism is often called the world's first analog computer. Dating back to 100 BCE, it could predict eclipses, track planetary movements, and even calculate the timing of the Olympic Games. Its complexity wasn't matched until over 1,000 years later. Number 9. Damascus steel. This mysterious metal was used to make swords so sharp and strong they could cut through other blades. Created in the Middle East around the 9th century, the exact method of producing Damascus steel was lost, likely due to trade secrets and disrupted supply chains. Modern attempts to replicate it still struggle to match the original quality. Number 8. Roman concrete. Modern concrete erodes over time, especially in seawater. But Roman concrete, 2,000 years old, is still holding strong. Why? They used volcanic ash and seawater in a unique chemical mix. It actually gets stronger over time, and scientists are only now beginning to understand why. Number 7. The Baghdad battery. This clay jar from ancient Mesopotamia contains a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Some researchers believe it may have been used as a primitive battery capable of producing a small electric charge. Though its true purpose is debated, the design is oddly similar to modern electrochemical cells. Number 6. Greek fire. This mysterious incendiary weapon was used by the Byzantine Empire, especially in naval battles. It could burn on water and stick to surfaces. The exact recipe has been lost, but it was likely based on petroleum and other chemicals centuries ahead of medieval warfare. Number 5. Chinese seismograph, invented in 132 CE by Zhong Heng. This was the world's first device to detect earthquakes. It used a system of levers and pendulums to drop a metal ball from a dragon's mouth into the mouth of a toad, pointing to the direction of the quake. It worked so accurately that even emperors were astonished. Number 4. Cataract surgery in ancient India. Chuta, an Indian physician in the 6th century BCE, described surgical techniques including cataract removal using a curved needle. These methods were shockingly precise and formed the basis for modern surgical practices centuries later. Number 3. Incan brain surgery. The Inca civilization practiced a form of skull surgery called trepanation, cutting into the skull to relieve pressure or treat injury. Remarkably, survival rates were often over 80%. They used antiseptic herbs and surgical techniques that rivaled those in 19th century Europe. Number 2. Archimedes' death ray. Legend says that during the siege of Syracuse, Archimedes used polished bronze mirrors to focus sunlight and set Roman ships on fire. Though debated, experiments have shown that it's technically possibly difficult, suggesting the idea may not have been so fetched. Number 1. Ancient Indian flying machines, described in Sanskrit texts like the Vimanaka Shastra. Vimanas were flying chariots powered by mysterious technologies. While often considered mythological, some researchers argue that the level of details suggests knowledge of aerodynamics, fact or fiction. It's one of the most intriguing ancient inventions ever recorded. Which of these ancient inventions amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing historical facts.